What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today, as you guys can see, this is kind of a different setup. I'm usually like over to that side over there, but reason I'm on like this side and I'm on the chair. We actually are doing a customization video, I guess you can call this. So recently, well, these shoes came out like last month. I tried to go for them on a Nike sneaker app. I took an L, but luckily I catched a restock in clothing, and I managed to grab these shoes for retail online on a restock. And yeah, this is one of those shoes that was kind of like, some people love this, some people hated this shoe. And me personally, I thought the shoe was dope. Well, this shoe is dope, period. But the way they kind of did it, I don't know. Let me just show you the shoe. You might think, dude, this shoe is a fire. What are you talking about? This shoe was beautiful. But if you guys didn't know, these didn't come with laces. These are the French Prince Air Jordan 5s, and yeah, they have no laces. The reason they did that was because Will Smith himself, he wore these 5s without laces, and yeah, Jordan Brand was like, fuck it, we're gonna do it without laces. And yeah, I mean, in the beginning I didn't really care that didn't have laces, but then I just wish Jordan Brand did the option to put laces if you wanted to, or to do it without laces. And I don't know why they just were like, no laces, you're just gonna rock them without any laces. But today we are gonna be trying to put some laces on these bad boys. So this can go well, this could go wrong. I am no expert at customizing shoes or anything, so I mean, I guess we'll have to see what's gonna happen with these shoes right here. These beautiful shoes can go wrong. I could mess them up. I could, I don't know. We'll see. Obviously, this is the Great 5s white with that aqua blue and that purple with the Nike Air on the ass, on the back. These shoes are beautiful. Your insole has that Fresh Prince vibes, and obviously no laces, but we're gonna try to add laces onto these bad boys. I actually went out to an arts and crafts store to grab a couple items because I needed them for this project. And a little dope detail, just look at that tongue. Purple and that aqua blue Jumpman. That's a beautiful tongue. I like how they added this on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says West Philadelphia. Shout out to Philly. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says that right on the tongue right there. But I had to go out and get some materials. I got this like X-Acto knife, and I got this hole puncher. And if you're wondering why it's pink, well, it was the only color they had. It was pink, so I kind of had to do this project. And yeah, I was just like, fuck it, I'm taking a pink one. And I was kind of like messing around with this cardboard, punching holes in them, just to see like the type of, like the size of the holes that I need for this shoe right here. And I actually have the Supreme Jordan 5s right here to kind of just see the size of the holes for the laces. And one thing that I noticed is that on the Jordan 5s, there's a lace hole right here, and like right in the middle right here. And on the Great 5s, there's like no holes there, so we kind of have to make our own holes. Like right there, there's supposed to be a hole right there, but there's nothing there. Same thing down there, I believe. But yeah, you guys can see there's like these indents where the lace is supposed to where the laces are supposed to go. So yeah, I'm gonna try to switch up the angle, and we're just gonna get straight into this surgery. So yeah. Alright, so here we have the shoes. We kind of have to cut right here. You have to cut this side and then this side because they're kind of like stitched. And we need to get in there to make the laces. Hope you guys can see this perfectly. I have a PlayStation 4 controller right here. Shout out PlayStation 4 gang. But I'm gonna just dive right into it. Got the X-Acto knife. Oh god, we gotta be careful. Just to make sure we don't cut the shoe or cut myself. So oh, I poked the shoe. Okay, I did the first cut. Dude, this X-Acto knife is freaking sharp. Damn. I don't even have to put force or anything. I'm just literally just going like ching. Alright. We gotta make sure we don't cut the leather. Okay. I think we gotta go. And I got the Jordan 5s right here just to kind of see how to do this. Alright. I think that was a success. So you guys can see right here, we opened this area up. Now we gotta do the same thing on the other side because it's like stitched in, like I said. Like, look at this, you can't even open this up. We gotta do that on the other side. And if you guys are doing this, be careful, don't cut yourself. You know, I'm an expert, so yeah, just be careful. If you're a little kid, you know, make sure tell your mom to help you, tell your dad. You just gotta be careful with it, you know. Okay. Towards the end it kind of gets easy. There's another one right here. Dude, we gotta be really careful. Alright. So we did it. As you guys can see, both sides are done. And there's this like little elastic thing inside of this shoe. I don't know if you guys can see this little white thing that is holding the shoe down. I'm gonna just keep that there. I don't want to cut it. Yeah, like this little white piece right here is like a little elastic thing that was keeping the shoe down. I'm gonna keep that there. I'm gonna just try to clean the shoe up real quick. Take like the little threads out. And now we get to the second part of the surgery. We gotta grab that hole puncher that I bought, the pink one, and now we gotta punch holes on these bad boys. Yeah, so this is kind of like the scary part, because if I miss, I can just fuck this whole shoe up. And I know there's supposed to be laces up here, like lace holes up here, but I'm actually going to keep those like that. I'm just going to be using the lace holes right here, Because on the Jordan 5s, as you guys can see, there's holes right there. But for the grapes, I'm gonna keep them closed. And I'm gonna just use these right here. So I measured all of these little holes, and I'm going to be using this one right here. Hopefully this goes well. I mean, I don't have anything else to say. Fuck it. Alright. You gotta be careful and gentle with this. Alright. This is it, boys. 3. Alright, let me get a good grip. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I heard that. I don't know if you guys heard that. Squeeze it tight just to make sure the hole. Oh god. I need something to like poke it out. There we go. Look at that. Where is it? Look at that first hole. Not bad. You see that hole? It's perfect size hole. So far so good. Now we just gotta do all of these. So I might just skip the part, you know, save you guys some time. I'm not gonna let you guys sit here and watch me punch holes in all of these. So we'll be right back. And yeah, that's how you pretty much do it. I just did it. Laced hole punched all these holes. And like I said, I'm gonna be leaving these like that. They're pretty much ovals, and yeah, if I just put a hole in them, I don't think it will look well. And plus, I don't use these when I lace up my Jordan 5s. I just use these right here. And yeah, beautiful leather on this shoe, gotta say. Beautiful, nice leather. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Now all you gotta do is grab a pair of white laces and just lace these bad boys up. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go grab some laces and we'll see the final product. So BRB. And bam, here we have it. Look at these. These look very, very nice. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Looking at these. Got the laces in. Let me just position this camera in a better angle so we can take a look at this final product together. Alright, so we're done with the surgery. Everything went well in my opinion. I'm looking at these right now, and these are looking pretty fire. These are looking even better in my opinion. Bam! Look at this. We have laces in there now. Obviously nothing from this shoe changed except for this part right here. I had to do all this surgery myself. There's laces on there now, as you guys can see. Bam, lace holes in there and everything. Obviously, like I said, I left these because I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're kind of like oval shaped. And me personally, when I wear my Jordan 5s, I don't use those lace holes up there, so I didn't want to go through that. So I just left them like that, and I just used these right here. And bro, these came out good in my opinion. Like, look at these. Look at them. Look at that. And obviously, if you have a extra spare of a lace lock, you can even add a lace lock, because you know Jordan 5s come with lace locks, as you guys can see. You can add that on there. But me personally, I'm not a huge fan of those lace locks, so I'm just keep it like this. And bro, these look fresh. Look at this. Before, obviously, there's no lace holes. And then, bam. after. So let me know down in the comments below, what do you guys think? Did I do a good job? Me personally, I think I did a good job. And if you guys, I don't know how you guys lace up your Jordan 5s, but you could have just made holes right there and not add the holes and not add these extra holes, but I just did it just because that's how the Jordan 5s are. And yeah, man, let me know how I did. It's my first like customization, and I think it went well. Surgery went well, everything went well. Yeah, look at that, another one before and then after. Now all I gotta do is do the same thing for the right shoe, but I'm actually gonna be taking some pictures of a before and after and put them on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is gonna be down in the description down below. And yeah, these are much better. So yeah, that is pretty much gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this something different. Obviously it still has to do with shoes, but you know, we kind of had to do some surgery on these bad boys. And yeah, let me know down in the comments below, did you guys put holes in your shoe, or did you guys just leave them laceless? Do you guys love this shoe? Do you guys hate this shoe? Let me know down in the comments down below. And yeah, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future. Hopefully no more customization. This is probably gonna be my final one, unless Jordan Brand decides to put no laces on all of the shoes that they're gonna be releasing, but I doubt that. Hopefully. And yeah, I am out. Peace.